So, what's up everyone? Salima here, and welcome back to the channel. We're well into 2025, and it's become crystal clear that the landscape for entrepreneurs is shifting, and it's shifting fast. In 2025, AI is transforming how entrepreneurs work, moving from a nice-to-have novelty to an absolutely essential part of the modern business toolkit. It's no longer about just having a great idea. It's about executing that idea with maximum efficiency and intelligence. The tools we have access to today are fundamentally changing the game, automating the tedious stuff and freeing us up to focus on what really matters: innovation and growth. For anyone running a business, or even just starting one, staying ahead of this curve is non-negotiable. That's why I've spent the last few weeks deep diving, testing, putting a ton of different platforms through their paces to find the absolute best of the best. This isn't just about what's new. It's about what's genuinely useful and powerful. So today, I'm breaking it all down for you. Here are the top 5 AI tools you can't afford to miss. These are the ones that I believe will have the biggest impact on your workflow and your bottom line. We're going to get into the nitty-gritty of each one, exploring the features, the user experience, the real-world applications that make them stand out. We've got a lot to cover, so let's dive in and get right into the first one. It's a tool that has completely redefined how I organize my entire workflow, and I think it'll do the same for you. All right, first up on the list, many of you might already be familiar with this, but its AI integration has taken it to a whole new level. I'm talking about Notion AI. For years, Notion has been my go-to for project management, content calendars, personal notes, you name it. It's always been this flexible digital workspace. But with the introduction of Notion AI, it's become something more. It's like having an intelligent assistant, a true second brain. The core strength here is how it streamlines project management. Imagine you've just finished a long brainstorming meeting. Dump your messy notes onto a Notion page. With a single prompt, summarize these notes, extract all action items, create a project timeline with assigned tasks. It does this with surprising accuracy, turns chaos into a structured plan in seconds. But it goes deeper than summarization. The AI can help you think. Stuck on a proposal? Start with a basic outline, highlight it, and ask Notion AI to expand on these points, or generate ideas for a marketing strategy. It acts as a creative partner with seamless integration. No app switching. Another killer feature is automated note-taking and documentation. Connect meeting transcripts, automatically generate summaries, distribute them to the team, create instant documentation for new processes, builds a searchable, intelligent company knowledge base. Every piece of information becomes more valuable, huge for scaling. So when you look at the whole package, Notion AI isn't just an add-on. It transforms a static organizer into a dynamic thinking workspace that's an indispensable part of my daily grind. Next up, we have the one that really pushed AI into the mainstream. But the 2025 version is a different beast entirely. I'm talking about ChatGPT 5. Now, I know what you're thinking. We've all used ChatGPT. But the jump from previous versions to version 5 is significant, especially for business applications. The conversational abilities have become so nuanced and context-aware that it's almost indistinguishable from talking to a highly knowledgeable human assistant. It's less of a simple chatbot and more of a sophisticated communication engine. One of the most immediate use cases for entrepreneurs is customer support. You can now train ChatGPT 5 on your company's entire knowledge base, product manuals, past customer interactions. The result is an AI-powered support agent that can handle the vast majority of customer queries with incredible accuracy and a natural, empathetic tone. It can understand complex, multi-part questions, access order histories, and provide step-by-step troubleshooting. This frees up your human support team to focus only on the most complex, high-touch issues. Beyond support, its brainstorming capabilities are off the charts. It's one thing to ask an AI for a list of ideas. It's another to have a genuine back-and-forth conversation with it. With ChatGPT 5, you can present a vague business problem and it will ask clarifying questions, propose multiple strategic angles, and play devil's advocate to help you poke holes in your own ideas. I've used it to workshop marketing campaigns, refine business models, and even prepare for difficult negotiations. It's like having a team of expert consultants on call 24/7. The model's ability to adopt specific personas is also a game changer. You can instruct it to act as a skeptical investor, a new customer, a seasoned marketing director, then run your pitches by it and get targeted, role-specific feedback. So, while the name is familiar, the application has matured dramatically. For any entrepreneur looking to scale their communications and strategic thinking without massively increasing headcount, this is a must-have. Number 3 on the list is a tool that's laser-focused on one of the most time-consuming tasks for any entrepreneur: creating content. This is Jasper. While other tools have broad capabilities, Jasper has dedicated itself to being the absolute best at generating high-quality marketing copy. In 2025, it has really refined its craft. For anyone who needs to produce blog posts, social media updates, ad copy, website content, Jasper is an absolute powerhouse. Built from the ground up for marketers and business owners, what sets Jasper apart is a template-driven workflow, combined with a deep understanding of what makes copy effective. It's not just about correct sentences, it's about content that converts. Choose from dozens of templates: AIDA framework, problem agitate solution, feature to benefit, input product details and target audience, and Jasper produces multiple compelling variations. It's like having a senior copywriter on staff. Long-form generation is where it really shines. Generate a detailed outline, then have the AI write each section, maintaining a consistent tone. Toggle tone, witty and informal tone, or professional and authoritative tone. This scales your content production by an order of magnitude. Integration with plagiarism and grammar checkers, like Surfer SEO. Give Jasper a target keyword, and it will write an article that naturally includes that keyword and related terms. That SEO plus AI synergy is a huge competitive advantage. For entrepreneurs juggling a million things, this is a superpower. For marketing and growth, Jasper is a solid investment. All right. Coming in at number 4 is a tool that tackles one of the most resource-intensive forms of content: video. I'm talking about Synthesia. For most entrepreneurs, creating professional-looking video content is a huge hurdle. It requires cameras, lighting, microphones, and a ton of time for filming and editing. Synthesia completely upends that model by allowing you to create high-quality, AI-powered video presentations with just a script. It's a pretty wild concept that actually works surprisingly well. The process is incredibly straightforward. You start by choosing one of dozens of photorealistic AI avatars. These aren't cartoons. They look and move like real people. Then you simply type or paste in your script. You can choose from over 120 languages and a variety of voices. You hit generate, and within minutes, you have a video of your chosen avatar speaking your script in a professional setting. You can add text, images, and screen recordings to the background, just like a normal video presentation. The implications for entrepreneurs are massive. Think about creating training videos for new employees, product demonstration videos for your website, or personalized sales outreach videos. Tasks that would have taken days of production can now be completed in under an hour. And if you need to update a video, you don't have to reshoot anything. This makes global expansion so much more accessible for small businesses. It democratizes video production, taking it from a high-budget, high-effort endeavor to something any entrepreneur can leverage effectively. And finally, the 5th tool on my list is one that acts as the connective tissue for everything else. This is Zapier AI. Many of you already know Zapier as the ultimate automation tool that connects thousands of different apps. It's the digital glue that lets you create workflows, or zaps, like when I get a new email in Gmail with an invoice, save the attachment to Dropbox, and create a task in Asana. But now, with their AI features, Zapier has become exponentially more powerful. The core innovation is that you no longer need to manually build these complex multi-step zaps. You can now just describe the workflow you want in plain English. For example, you could type, "When a customer fills out my Typeform survey with a negative rating, automatically create a high-priority ticket in Zendesk with the customer's details, and send a notification to the support channel in Slack." Zapier's AI will understand this request and build the entire multi-step zap for you. This makes automation accessible to everyone, not just the tech-savvy, but it gets even better. Zapier AI can also be a step within your automations. For example, you could create a zap where every time a new lead comes in through a Facebook lead ad, The information is sent to a Zapier AI step with the prompt. Summarize this lead's information and determine if they are a good fit for our enterprise plan. The AI's output can then be used to automatically route the lead to the right salesperson or add them to a specific email nurture sequence. This ability to add a layer of intelligence and decision-making into your automations is what's truly transformative. Your workflows are no longer just simple if this then that triggers. They can now analyze data, classify information, and make smart choices on their own. Zapier AI allows you to connect all your other tools into one cohesive, automated ecosystem. It reduces manual data entry, eliminates repetitive tasks, and ensures that important information never falls through the cracks. It's the ultimate force multiplier for a small team trying to operate like a much larger one. So there you have it. Those are the top 5 AI tools every entrepreneur should try in 2025. Notion AI acting as your second brain for project management. ChatGPT 5, revolutionizing your customer communication and strategy. Jasper cranking out high-quality marketing content. Synthesia making video production accessible to everyone. Zapier AI tying it all together with intelligent automation. Each of these tools is incredibly powerful on its own, but when you start combining them, that's when the magic really happens. The goal here isn't to replace your entrepreneurial spirit with algorithms. It's to augment your abilities and free you from the low-value tasks that consume your time and energy. By leveraging these tools, you can focus more on vision, strategy, and the human connections that build great businesses. The barrier to entry for executing at a high level is lower than it's ever been, and that's incredibly exciting for anyone with a good idea and the drive to see it through. This is the new toolkit for building a modern business. Now I want to hear from you. Which tool are you most excited about? Are there any other game-changing AI tools you're using that I missed? Let us know in the comments below. I read all of them. And of course, if you found this breakdown helpful, a sub to the channel would be amazing. Don't forget to subscribe for more business insights and deep dives into the tech that's shaping our future. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.